Hey buddy, 065 here. Oh my god, right now I feel like crying so much. My package has finally arrived. If I know I didn't mention anything about this yet, but I finally got my first robot off eBay and my first official win. In this box, y'all gonna be surprised what robot it is. It's a small box, but oh my god! Just to let you know, I'm just gonna spill the beans. But this robot is a Chrome Crusader. What a very rare 19th robot. Which here's a comparison size of Mighty Warrior robot to the box. Lang, say, but and this is how. So I guess the box is this way. So no further ado, I'm gonna open it. Since this is like my most happiest moment in my entire life, I am just going to keep everything. Yes, everything. That means I'm gonna keep the box. Oh my god. This is like my first. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like the best day of my life. Even better when I got the whoa. Oh my god. The Chrome Crusader. Whoa. Really? Oh, well, some of the photos it didn't really seem like it was that dirty. Wow. Oh, his gun is screwed in there. Dang, look at that. That is awesome. Here's comparison size to it. Okay, for all I know, the seller did mention it does not walk, nor does the 360, but I'm gonna fix that. Let me pop in the batteries. Wow. Well, actually, I think I might pop this one in first. Oh, Happy Kid Toy too. Whoa. Let's turn them on. Something doesn't work, so as mentioned. That's gonna become a good repairman. Dude, that is like awesome. Look at the shoulders. Look at that. Wait for it, wait for it. Okay, well, this has been part 1 of this. I'm gonna open up right now and replace the parts. If replacing the parts includes me like giving up one of my robot's parts, I will actually sort of gladly do that because this is an old robot. And oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in a dream, but wow. The chromed Crusader. This is like the best thing of my life. My first robot off eBay. This has been 065. Thank you for watching. Bye.